In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add favicon to Go high-level funnel or site. A favicon is the small icon that appears on your browser tab, bookmarks, and shortcuts. It's a simple touch that makes your brand look polished and easy to recognize at a glance. Start by signing in and opening your sub-account dashboard. From the main navigation, head to Sites. This is where you manage both your funnels and your websites. Let's set the favicon for a funnel first. Choose the funnel you want to brand. I'll use a sales funnel as an example. Once you're inside the funnel, open the Settings area. Look for the field labeled Favicon. Here, paste the direct URL to your favicon file. A quick note on best practices. A square image works best, typically 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 pixels. PNG and ICO formats are commonly supported, and a transparent background helps it look clean. Make sure the link you paste is a direct, publicly accessible HTTPS link to the image file so browsers can load it reliably. After pasting the URL, click Save. To confirm it worked, open a funnel step in a new tab, and check the Browser tab. If you don't see the update right away, do a hard refresh or check in a private window. Browsers often cache favicons. Now, let's apply a favicon to a website. Go back to the Sites section and switch to Websites. Choose the website you want to update. I'll use a business site as an example. Open its settings. Again, find the favicon field and paste the same favicon URL you used before, or a different one if this site needs its own branding. Keeping favicons consistent across your brand helps recognition, but it's totally fine to set different icons for different projects if that's part of your strategy. Click Save to apply the change. Just like before, open any page from the site in a new tab to verify. If the old icon appears, clear your browser cache or wait a few minutes for the update to propagate. A couple of final tips. Keep your favicon simple so it's legible at tiny sizes, avoid heavy detail or long text, and ensure high contrast so it stands out in light and dark browser themes. Hosting your favicon on a reliable, fast source helps with consistent loading across devices. That's it. Dashboard, sites, choose your funnel or website, open settings, paste the favicon URL, and save. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to subscribe for more.